Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016, the GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 6910. And this is your virtual video walk around, which allows you to see this pickup up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. So we'll make our way around this incredibly clean GMC. You're going to find that there's no dents or dings. It's got the tow package and the tonneau covering. And we're going to take you down the driver's side here in just a second and actually allow you to see the interior. Look at that leather. Absolutely impeccable condition. No rips, no tears, no stains. This vehicle's been through a 150-point safety inspection. Super clean and low miles. Only 33,000 miles to be exact on this truck. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. For more information on that and our other inventory, call, email, or text us. We'll be happy to answer those questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business, and we hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.